Hello traders, good morning. Today is 22nd of November. Another beautiful trade guys on Kiwi dollar. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. 4 hour we look at the structure. As you can see here, the market nicely develop a rising wedge. So we were expecting possibility of counter short trade opportunity here. We already have taken all this long trade here. When we look at the market rejected many time in 4 hour. And if you look at this candle, the body of this candle is more thicker than the previous candle that give us a high probability. So we have this short trade here. After the short trade we also had this pullback and the target were around this first target, which price nicely hit. So we're going to look at if the market is going to break or not, but we already bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. So pretty straightforward. We look at the market structure as explained to my trader. If the market is going to break this level, then long. Otherwise, let's see here, because we already seen so many rejection in 4 hour. As you can see here, the market nicely respected. We have this breakout which we announced through live audio commentary. The first target, as you can see here, nicely hit. As explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see if we can get another confirmation for continuation. As you can see here, based on this analysis, as expected, we were looking at pretty straightforward, looking another short trade here. Market nicely developed pullback short trade here as soon as the price hit to the first target based on the 4 hour, and that's what explained my trade is time to enjoy amazing profit. So you want to see all that analysis with the full explanation detail in real time, guys, most welcome. Join our fast going to the community. Have a nice day.